Hello, welcome to our EA Minutes YouTube channel. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to create an AI video. Keep on watching.
Cool intro. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your Google browser and type https://www.synthesize.io. Click Create a free AI video, then choose what kind of script template to choose from.
Then type in the script you want your ID to say, then click Continue. You have to put it in your name, email, and country, then https://www.synthesia.io/will review.
After a few minutes, you will receive the video you created. You may save your video on your desktop. We hope you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Pag hindi nyo alam gagawin nyo sa buhay nyo, sumigaw na lang kayo ng power.